It should be the first nerve that you encounter.
That is the axillary nerve. Okay. Can you review the brachial plexus?
Okay, so your brachial plexus. Okay. This is your brachial plexus. All of this sort of stuff. Okay, so your brachial plexus, your landmark for your brachial plexus is your axillary artery. Axillary artery. So this is your axillary artery. You can feel it because it's it's oval. But how do you tell the difference between the artery and the vein?
Very collapse man ang vein and flat na siya. Nerve is very soft. And nipis ang iyang wall.
And then so what I usually do is I roll it between my fingers, and if you can roll it between your fingers, you like a glove, you kind of notice that there's a space in between. So it's either an artery or a vein. Nerves are solid. Also, if you lick nerves, they taste salty. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so your axillary artery, right? So from your axillary artery divides your brachial plexus into three parts. They are posterior, lateral, medial cords, right? So your lateral cord is here, your medial cord is here, and your posterior cord is underneath your axillary artery. Okay, so the easiest nerve to identify out of the brachial plexus is going to be your median nerve. Your median nerve is the only one that connects to both a lateral and a medial cord. Yeah. So if you trace here, you notice it goes from it traces to a lateral cord, and it also traces to your medial cord. Okay. So that's your median nerve. So what I usually do afterwards is I trace this, and I trace this on a lateral side. So your median nerve, that's your lateral side, that's your median side. Median nerve, you trace it, your first nerve that you encounter when you hit it to your lateral side is your musculocutaneous nerve. If you trace it on the median side, your first one is your ulnar. So, that's your ulnar.
But that's from the medial cord?
Yeah, from the medial cord is your ulnar. So median, ulnar. Your thickest one here is going to be your radial. If you trace your radial back, it goes into your axillary. Your radial goes into your interval space, interval space doesn't make sense. Triangular interval, and then your axillary goes into your quadrangular space. Yeah.
Axillary
Nerve.
Yeah.
So what's this?
Hold on. I have
This. At the brachial? Medial cutaneous?
Nya ka na may ulnar.
Ulnar man.
Kani ba? Ay kani nag-connect
Ay,
sa
muna ang medial.
lateral thoracic artery ni kani.
Lagi mo na bito no?
Kani.
Ang lateral thoracic ay sa pectoral major man, di ba?
So kani lateral
Major na, minor.